Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable After Effects GPU acceleration for smoother playback. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Go to the Edit menu located at the top left corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down. In the Preferences window, choose Previews. Look for the GPU Information section. Here, confirm that your GPU is detected. If it's not detected, ensure your graphics drivers are updated. Next, enable the Use GPU Acceleration option. Choose one of the available options, such as Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. Click OK to save these changes. Now, go to your project panel and select your composition. Press the spacebar to check your playback performance. If playback is still choppy, consider lowering your preview resolution. To do this, navigate to the bottom of the program window. Find the resolution drop-down and select a lower setting. For a final check, play your composition again. You should notice smoother playback performance. If issues persist, ensure your project settings are optimized for GPU use. With these steps completed, you're all set for smoother playback in After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.